It's Robert Stellick with Blue Planet Surf, and I wanted to share with you about this awesome surf trip coming up, Mentawai boat trip from April 2nd to the 13th. It's in about 2 months from when I'm recording this, so it's coming up pretty soon. So last year, Jared Reed, who's our Australian distributor, went on this boat trip with some friends and some team riders in the Mentawai Islands, and they took some awesome footage of the waves they scored over there, and the boat trip looked pretty amazing. So this year we decided we're gonna book the whole boat. So it's a total of 9 spots on the boat available, and we got several people already committed to it, team riders, distributors, and so on. So we have a few more spots on the boat available, so we're making them available to the public or to any stand-up paddle surfers that are interested in going on this awesome trip. It'll be basically a super all-inclusive first-class experience. It's a very nice boat, and Mentawai Islands is a island chain off Sumatra in Indonesia. So it's known to be, have lots of amazing surf. One of the most consistent places for surf year-round, and very good breaks. There's lots of little islands and points and spots to explore, so almost guaranteed to score some epic waves on our trip there, hopefully like this one, and also some less scary waves. So we'll have everything from high performance hollow surf, barreling surf, to also some easier and more forgiving surf breaks that we can explore. So the Pelagic surf charter boat is basically a custom ship made for surf exploration. It's basically all air conditioned, top of the line. This is the lounge. All the food's included, so food, drinks, beer, it's all included. The transfers to and from the airport. So basically, you just have to get to Padang Airport on April 2nd. We'll get on the boat in the afternoon, and then the boat's going to motor overnight to the first surf break, and the next morning we'll already be surfing some beautiful waves in the Mentawai on April 3rd. And then we'll have 10 full days of surfing perfect waves before we get back to Padang, and then fly back on the 13th. So basically, we're taking care of all the logistics. We'll bring stand-up surfboards, and we'll have brand new latest model Blue Planet boards. You can actually choose the model you want if you want a certain board. You're also welcome to bring your own boards if that's what you want to do. We'll also have foil boards, prone surfboards, everything. We can use the skiff and the jet ski to practice foiling. That's one of the things I'm really into right now. So if anyone's interested in learning, you can go out on the jet ski and practice, just get the feel for the foil by towing first, and then going on some waves. Foiling is this amazing thing that I got into recently. I'm still learning it myself, but anyone that wants to learn how to do it, I'm happy to help you learn how to do the foiling. We'll have foils, foil boards, surfboards. It's an amazing feeling to just kind of hover over the waves, to kind of fly along the surface, and it feels almost like you have almost no friction. So we'll look for ways to do that as well as high performance stand-up surfing and prone surfing if that's what you prefer to do. So on the trip we'll also have a professional photographer and videographer. We'll have multiple drones. So we'll get lots of really good footage to enjoy later and share with friends and so on. We'll have personalized videos for everybody on the trip, and there'll be lots of top-notch watermen on this trip, and so we'll offer coaching, and it's really a good opportunity to take your surfing to the next level. Basically, if you get out every day and you can practice every day and get some good pointers and analyze on videos and so on, you really improve very quickly by doing it that way. There'll also be lots of other opportunities to cruise and explore, go touring a little bit, like check out some of these beautiful places in the Mentawais. We can also go fishing. There's some great fishing in the Mentawais and free diving, snorkeling. So lots of other activities other than just getting in the surf every day. But what's wrong with that anyways? So yeah, so it's an all-inclusive trip. If you have any questions, just contact us, either myself, Robert Stellick here at blueplanetsurf.com, and I will have some links in the description below the video here, also to the Pelagic boat for more information on the boat. You can also check with the Australian distributor website. Jared Reed is at blueplanetscp.com.au. So contact us if you're interested. Like I said, we only have a few spots available, and the price is pretty reasonable, I think, for what you're getting, because it's a little bit short notice, so we got a good deal on this trip, and passing it on to you. So if you're interested, it's definitely going to be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Enjoy the rest of the footage. Thanks for listening. Aloha.